Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to assemble your brand new Ariens zero-turn lawnmower. Let's start by removing the unit from the crate that we shipped it in from our factory in Brillion, Wisconsin. We learned that it's easiest to first remove the crate top and then dismantle the crate sides with a pair of safety goggles, sturdy pair of gloves, and then a crowbar. The first order of business after you remove the walls of the crate and then the top is to locate the literature pack that came with your unit. This is likely going to be somewhere around the seat or the footplate area of your mower. And inside, you'll find an engine manual, an operator's manual, registration information, a key, an assembly guide, and more. Let's start by removing the operator's manual and paging through the safety section so you know you're going to be safe through this assembly procedure. Next, locate the setup guide for your unit. You can use this to follow along with the content in the video to help you understand how to assemble your brand new Ariens zero-turn. After you read through all pages of the safety section, let's push that mower off the crate pallet. But what we're going to need to do first is to remove the boards from in front of and behind both sets of wheels in the crate base. Then we're going to show you how to push that unit off the base and onto a flat level surface where you can start assembling that mower.
To move the unit manually, pull the transaxle bypass levers on the left and right sides of the unit out and up to lock in place. Then, push the parking brake lever down to release the parking brake. The unit can now be pushed off the crate base and onto a flat, level surface. Pull the parking brake lever up and push each transaxle bypass lever inward to prevent the unit from moving. Remember to engage the transaxles on both sides of the unit. Cut all plastic bands around the unit and discard. Remove the cap from the negative battery terminal and discard. Remove the hardware from the negative battery cable end. You should have one bolt, one flat steel washer, and one nut. Secure the negative battery cable to the negative battery terminal with the hardware removed earlier. Rotate the seat into the operating position. Remove the top steering lever hardware set and loosen the lower hardware set. Rotate the steering lever upward. Align the holes through the steering lever and lower control arm, reinstall the top hardware set, and tighten the hardware. Repeat the same procedure on the remaining side and adjust so both steering levers are aligned. Remove the caps from the tire valve stems and check all tire pressures. Rear tire pressures should be between 9 and 11 psi. Front tire pressures should be between 38 and 46 psi. Remove the oil fill cap and dipstick from the engine. Wipe the dipstick clean, reinstall the dipstick and tighten the oil fill cap. Pause for 1 or 2 seconds, then remove the oil fill cap once more, ensure the oil level reaches the full line on the dipstick, and reinstall the dipstick.
You are now finished assembling your brand new Ariens zero-turn mower. From myself and everyone else in the Ariens family, we say thank you for your purchase. Now, if anything didn't look right or feel right to you while you were assembling your mower, we ask you please reach out to your nearest Ariens dealer at ariens.com/dealers. Our dealers are an extension of our team and are happy to help you with any questions that you might have about your new mower. Additionally, remember to register your unit at ariens.com/registration. Your product registration activates your unit's warranty and it gives us a line of communication back to you in case we need to share any information about your mower. And finally, if you're active on social media, remember to like the Ariens pages on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the Ariens logo in the lower right-hand corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.